Hello everyone and welcome back to Myrelle Hair. It's Myrelle today, and today I'm super excited because we are creating these all-time cute and romantic looking fishtail braid. So if you want to learn, then please keep watching. Alright, starting off I'm going to brush my hair, and if you don't brush your hair, then this is definitely going to happen with you. And if you want to avoid it, don't be lazy and please brush your hair. Okay, now starting with the braiding, I'm going to take a small section from both sides of my hair and I'm going to cross it over at the center of my head and hold it in place. Also make sure that the cross section is tightly secured. Now I'm going to take a new same size section from the loose hair on the right side and I'm going to cross it over and take it to the left and add it in the left section of my hair. Repeating the same steps, I'm going to take a new same size section from the left and cross it over to the right and add it to the right side section of hair. Obviously this seems really complicated, but in reality it isn't. You just have to take small sections from the loose hair and add it into the section on the opposite side. And this will create your braid. You have to repeat the steps throughout, from right to left and right to left again. I'm going to be braiding my hair really tight because later on I'm going to go in and pull out the sections to make the braid look bigger. So you could also do that, because if you're going to make a loose braid, then when you pull out the sections, the hair is just going to fall apart and the braid is not going to look nice. So just make sure that you're braiding your hair really tight. Once your braid reaches your neck, now it's time to move your braid over your shoulder so the braiding procedure becomes easier and there is no pain. So how I like to do it is I hold the braid in place and then in the same direction my braid would continue. I would pull it forward or over my shoulder and then continue braiding. Usually if you're doing that, then from this point you have to start reverse fishtail braid. So you will be creating a regular reverse fishtail braid, and if you're doing that, that means you are doing the right thing. So now I'm going to start creating a reverse fishtail braid. That means instead of braiding the section inwards, that's what we were doing all this while, I'm going to be braiding it outwards, just like so. At this point, I'm going to stop braiding because now we're going to go into the braid and start pulling out small sections of hair to make the braid look more bigger and more romantic and more loose and beautiful. So just go in and really slowly start pulling out sections. If you're having layers, be very careful because you don't want to pull out the whole section of hair outside. So I'm just going to do that. Perfect. It looks like a braid is ready and it just looks so pretty. I think this hairstyle is perfect for any occasion. You could weddings and as a bridesmaid or to prom, it's just perfect. I know it looks really difficult, but once you get the trick, it looks amazing. So if you really like this hairstyle, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Make this family bigger, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. So I'll be seeing you in our next video.